Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and taking a quick look at this set of um, extra large wrenches, combination wrench set. There is two of them. There is the SAE and the metric. This is the HyperTough brand, purchased from Walmart. Each one was about $22 with free shipping. Each set includes 5 pieces. They call them here jumbo, but generally these are extra large because the jumbo will be the bigger ones, bigger than these. So maybe the jumbo is kind of misleading because the jumbo ones are really large. But these are just the extra large ones. So here, let's look at the sizes. So this set includes millimeter, which is the the metric. So it is 23, 24, 26, 27, and 30. And this set here, the SAE, includes 1 inch, 1 1/16, 1 1/8, 1 3/16, and 1 1/4 inches. And they both include nylon rolling pouch, which I will not be using, but it's included. So let's take a look at this. Here on the box it says these are made in India. I'm gonna put the SAE on the side and we'll just start with the metric. Put this box on the side here. Okay, so it says HyperTough right there, and it says HyperTough right here. And let's fold it to the inside. Take a look at these. And this is size 30, and it has HyperTough engraved on it. It says 30 on both sides. Chrome vanadium on this other side, also engraved. At least they have the name engraved on it. Sometimes you buy something and it doesn't have a name. It just says chrome vanadium, or it will say, a wrench or something. But this one has the name on it. All right, so this is size 30. This is size 27. So I was telling my colleague about this, and he was telling me that the wrenches that are made in India have a softer steel, so they may not be as good when this is handling a nut or a bolt and you tighten too far, or you need to loosen it. This side will expand slightly, allowing it to slip. I'm not sure. You guys tell me what you think. Here is the 26. They seem dirty or scratched up. This is 24. And there is 23. They have another set that includes size 25 in it, so that goes there. And I wonder if they have 28 or something, but they probably chose the most common sizes. Okay, so this is the metric sizes. Yeah, you can see here that it is something wrong with this one. Let me do something. Let me spray it with, not spray it with, but simple green degreaser. I'll just want to see if this will be, shinier. Give me a second. Just curious to see if simple green will clean the thing. It didn't. It's just the finish of it is like that. Didn't clean it. It's not dirty. It's just how the finish is. Yeah, you can see the spots on it compared to, for example, this one. This one is shiny. See that? This one is shiny. Very good. All right. Anyway, let me open up the other box. The reason I got these, to be honest, is the price. This is $22 compared to other sellers. This is kind of like half the price, and I will not be using it as much, so I didn't feel the need to pay twice the price for something I may or may not use. And when I use for once or twice, it will probably do the job with no problem. So that is why. At this time, it is March 2024, and Lowe's have, I'm sorry, I hit the camera. Lowe's have a price reduced on their Cobalt set of these, same exact sizes, for $35 each instead of $22. But, you know, there is no big difference, I think, in terms of durability. I'm not sure. I mean, in my opinion, they're probably made in the same factory or by the same manufacturer, just put a different name on them, you know. So these, for some reason, the finish on these I don't like very much. It's kind of very dirty finish. Seems like very low quality finish on these. Yeah, that was very good. Even the engraving on them. So these two, see, they're both engraved, but this one is slightly different than that. Does it have something to do with the size of it, maybe? I don't know. But here is the large one, 1 1/4 inch. And this is 1 3/16. And this is 1 1/8. And this is 1 1/16. And 1 inch. Yeah, so that is it. That is it, guys. Quick look at these HyperTough extra large. They call them jumbo, but it's extra large set of wrenches, combination wrenches. They cost me all about $40 to $45 with tax. So there you have it. Well, thanks so much for watching this video with me. If you have any questions about these, or would like to write a comment or put a comment down below in the comment section. If you like this video and you found it useful, please subscribe to the channel for more videos like it, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.